I hope my voice is clear here. Good morning. So, okay, if I am okay, my voice is clear here. Thank you very much, Pragyan, for telling me that it is clear now. So, should I start? Very good, thank you. Okay. I'm waiting for some more people. How? Okay. Okay. So let me check how many of you are online. Total 27. Gunjan, Manas Jyoti, Gunjan, okay. Pragyan, Manas, Parveez, Abhishek, Pradyut Pavan, Pradyut, Rupi Jyoti, Arun Bora. What happened, students? Rishabh. So I am starting the presentation. Okay. Okay, some more people has come. Okay, I will start, then when the more student will come, they will join. Okay. So last time we discussed about the riveted joints, and today we will discuss left topic in riveted joint, and we also discuss the welded joint. So last time I discussed about double riveted, it means two rows are riveted, and zigzag means the rivets are not in straight line. So that's why you see here plus marks for rivet, plus marks for rivet, this plus marks, this plus marks, and you see here it should be, if in normal it would be like chain type, it would be here, but it is not chain type, it is zigzag type, so it is not in the straight line, it is at some distance away. That's why you see this is plus for rivet, this plus for center of the rivet, and this is the center. So you see there is here another rivet, here another rivet. Same for double, white double, because there are two rows of rivet in a joint. So similarly for two rows, it is, although it is total four rows, but in one side of joint only two rows are here. So that's why two row riveted zigzag. And which type of joint is it? Butt joint. So it is double riveted zigzag joint. Next, see this. Let me zoom. This is the representation of plate joints in the boiler. So for the understanding, I have used, I have taken a boiler figure here. You see, so here in this drawing, uh, okay, this drawing especially talks about this part. It means where a horizontal plate, there are three types, three joints. First, along the horizontal longitudinal line, okay, and then along the circumferential line. So there are two plates along the circumference, oh sorry, one plate along the circumference, this one, and one plate along this, and one plate along this. So for this you can understand it that like this. You see, let me zoom. You see here, and then this type of joint. So for that, how this type of joints have been prepared, we are going to study it. So this drawing, observe the drawing clearly. Now, what we have first, see what we have, two strap. Observe it. Are we having two strap? See, this is the main shell plate, and this one is also shell plate, and these two shell plates we have to join by in the form of butt joint. Okay, so you see a dotted line where these two plates are meeting like this here, and along this line we have to join it. Okay, so like here, here, and here, this we have to join these two plates. So it is the form of butt joint where two plates are close to each other. We have kept like this, and then now you notice it, one another plate bottom side and another plate upside. So if you remember, it is called cover plate or strap joint, right? what cover plate or strap joint. So plate number 1, this one, plate number again, because shell plate, this plate, because we are joining in along the circumference. So plate 1 1, and then this one is the bottom side plate, that is cover plate or strap, and this one at top. You see here it is like this. This is the shape, it is going like this. So it is cover plate, and same size of the cover plate we will get which side, bottom side. So similar to kind of cover plate at the bottom side, and joints are these joints are in butt shape. Next, now you notice how many numbers of row in a one side of the joint. So you notice this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So these are the locations of the rivet. This one, these are the locations. Again, these are the one side of the rivet. How it's are not aligned, it means it is zigzag. So we see we have prepared the joints in which longitudinal joints, because plates are like this, and we are joining the plate in the form of butt joint by using cover plate or strap. So two steps have been used. So it is longitudinal shape. Now this joint, how to prepare this joint? Circumference at the inside like this. Now we have to join this part of this end with the longitudinal shell, longitudinal plates. How to join this? So we will talk about this one, how to prepare. So for that, you see the shape of the plates are this way, and then one step at the outside you see, and we have joined by this way. So it is along whole of the circumference, it is like whole of the circumference we will get it. That's why you see that much of thickness for this region. I hope I have cleared it. So now we can see it in the section view, or we can say when this is the top view. This one is top view. So if we are going for the section view, what we will observe? So we will observe this one along this. This is the position of rivets. Along this, another rivet. Along this rivet. Along this, sorry, along this rivet, along this. Now you see all the rivet position. Top plate is strap, that is having the thickness T1. Bottom plate is again strap having thickness T1, and this is the shell plate having the thickness T. Now at the end, what we'll have? They are straps are in the form of top side. It is formed like this. So we see it, and then strap. See in circumferential joint, this part. This this hemisphere plate having this type of shape. Okay, and it is having the same thickness. Hemispherical plate is having the same thickness as shell plate, that is T. So we can call it also shell plate and shell plate T, and we have joined it this way. Okay, so here A and A represents, we have cut it here and we are observing it from here. That's why it is visible to you like this. Okay, if it is clear, if it is clear, then I will move to the next. Okay, reply me if it is clear. I am reading your comment. I hope it is clear. Okay, I am repeating one more time, just for 1 minute. See, we have to join. See, we have this longitudinal cell, and at the end we have to join with the hemispherical plate both side. So how we will join these two? First this side and then this side. We have to join it. So that's how what we have done here. This one is bottom side. We have taken a strap. At top side we have taken another strap. This one, because we can understand that these two straps are as a cover plate, so these two straps will have the same dimension. That's how I identified it. Then again you see this plate like this one, it would be ending somewhere, so it is positioned like butt shape. That's how why you see a line here, dotted line, because in between the plate, that's why you are getting it as a dotted line. It has been represented as dotted line. Okay, next is this shape, this one plate is having this shape, because cover plate here, shell plate is this form. Shell plate is joining from the top side, so it is having the shape this way. Okay, so we have the plate shape like this, cover plate, and then shell plate is from the circumferential on the circumference on here it is joining here, so we call it as on the circumference joint. Okay, so it is ending like that. Next is, see, the joint location rivets are represented by this is this rows of rivet. Again you see, that means we have taken a plane and we have cut it here along this line, and then we are observing it. But in top view we will show as a full. In Section view, we will show it only what is visible to our eyes. So our eyes is visible to bottom plate, that is cover plate T1 thickness, middle one as a shell plate, top one again cover plate, and then here at the circumference side T1, sorry T, and in this shape we have prepared the plate in this shape to join it here on the circumference here. So that's why you see this type of joint. Although this is for only the understanding of this image, so you can relate it with this one. So again you notice it, the row pitch PR, L is the length from the edge of the plate of the first row rivet. Again L is the length of the rivet from the edge, and then pitch P. PR is the pitch is the between two rivets, and PR is the row pitch. So it is visual. Okay. So I am moving to the next part. So rolled steel sections, you see here first there are the subsections, steel structures are used, they are having the common shape of angle T, channel H or I joint. It should be joint.